Well, it's nice and warm just here, and it's kicking out some heat, and it would raise the temperature. What's wrong with that? Well, the problem with it, as with any Calor gas heater or natural gas heater, is that, I can't remember what the facts are, but for every litre of gas you use, this generates so much moisture, so it converts a hydrocarbon into heat and water and something else. So it generates a lot of H2O because it's burning oxygen along with the hydrogen in the hydrocarbon, and that will condense on any cold metallic surfaces. That's a possible cold metallic surface. That's another possible cold metallic surface. Lots for the tools. Another cold metallic surface. And therefore you'll get rust unless it's well protected. And don't go protecting it with where are we? WD-40. That's the thing at the back. Spray oil does something. Spray grease is better if it's longer term. The paraffin based things such as WD-40 offer very little protection. So that machine there is death to Myfords. Absolutely.